The way you eat determines the deliciousness of the food.
Just take the picture. Look.
Loki, who was forced to selfie. You want your body to be 100% water, you'll be like...
He's just loving the ice water, I guess. Wow.
Go to the toilet according to the wrong Google map, and these are the consequences.
What are you doing, Barney? What are you doing?
What's the highest realm of a lazy person? Prepare a place to put this new toy. You don't trust your best friend's driving ability. What if your legs strike?
Smokey. Smokey.
He will definitely rate this care 5 stars. When you're required to read the correct password to enter the house.
Claire, go open the door. He's not supposed to let us I'm gonna try to show you guys something without showing you the coochie.
The skill that pillow sellers must fear.
This is one dog folded in half. I'm so...
Roll over.
That's such a good job!
Hope no one hears this at night. You finally found your prince. Food is not for those who are slow.
Wat ga je aan? Sally,
He's ready for the nanny job today.
waarom is jy besig, ou? Ek het vir Beethoven.
Okay, hon.
Hope he knows that leg belongs to him.
Okay, puppy house is on.
There's always a shortcut for everyone.
Oh, that didn't work.
When one door closes, another will open. Beginning of the month, but you've run out of money. going to school too early and not having time to eat breakfast. The moment when you know you've trusted her.
Là, Marley, sacrément ambitionne.
Humans, this bed is mine from now on.
Non, tu comprends pas.
I think my dog's broken.
Your dog's switch is broken like...
What are you doing, mate?
General situation of families with 2 children. Your activity bar is suddenly disabled.
She's like, I don't understand.
There are 2 types of dog in the world, like this or like that.
Farther. That's okay. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm gonna close it.
You didn't open it?
He'll open now he has to pull the handle. Door! Oh hell no! Okay.
You own a secret charging place.
What are you doing? Are you broken?
Let me tell you what a powerful vocalist is. When you play with your cat's friends for too long. Where did he learn this acting skill?
Is anything safe with you around? Drop it. Drop it. What do you have? What is that? Drop it. Want this? Drop it. Let me have it. What is that?
Come on. You can do it. Good job. One more foot. Come on.
Why try when we always have an easier option that's giving up?
Maya, come on. Come on.
I'm not finna be playing this staring game with your ass. I just took you outside. You threw up. You got diarrhea. You sick. Don't try to come back in the house and act like you not sick now. Get your ass in this house.
It's a crime to be allowed to look, but not to eat.
Come on, buddy. I see you. Come on. Run. Come on, you can do it.
Call me a taxi. Hurry up.
Come on. Come on. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, run, run, run. You can do it, buddy. Come on. Say,
When Bestie dares to speak ill of your idol.
Sadie, stop.
Understanding pets is sometimes impossible, isn't it? Stay with them more and thanks very much.